Grabe! Na-bless ako dun sa part na, wow, na-bless. Dun sa part na chinika yung sa Switzerland. Mataas kasi ang value ng Switzerland eh. Dapat New Zealand. Grabe, favored yung batch na to, no? Tapos na-approve tayo. Grabe. Yeah. BM. Touchdown Dubai. From Lazarite.
Hi.
Hello from QC. Complete. Thank you. Enjoy your flight. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'll be arriving in Zurich shortly. Please return to your seats. Make sure that your hand luggage is placed.
Wow, sa taas.
Always follow a wonderful weather.
The people, we're here. Adeline, we see you.
Salukuyan po kami kumakain ng libre.
Ay, bahi. Sama-sama.
This is my jam. What is the taste?
Ito ba yung pinaka-exciting?
Ayun, sakto.
Nakikita niya meron na.
Lalaglag to pero kahit na.
Engi! Ano nasa beer?
Nakapila kami sa free chocolate.
Isa lang, ilan ba?
With all these beautiful views.
Ito beautiful view.
Ayan, hello. Of course.
The time where kids learn the dialect is when they are in kindergarten. So kids start kindergarten when they are 5 years old. So when they are 5 years old and in the school, the teachers just speak Swiss German. So it's such a beautiful view. I hope you're enjoying. Just don't miss the chance to keep your eyes on the view because you can miss a special moment like the one right now. On the right hand side you can see the Chapel Bridge, which is Lucerne is very well known for having this. This is the oldest wooden bridge in Europe.
Aga pa. Maliwanag pa kaya yung 7:30.
Hindi ko naliligo. Pwede for us. Oh.
Konting tour lang for tonight, pero kami-kami na lang dahil pagod na yung iba. So, dire-diretso na namin to hanggang dinner at inuman. Charat! So, nandito kami sa may gilid ng lake. Kasi dito kami magdi-dinner sa mga gilid-gilid nitong lake. Ang ganda nitong bridge, oh. Very, very romantic. Good morning! Hi! Good morning! Hindi umaayon yung turtleneck. Nakakalaki ng face. Pero ayan, pupunta kami ngayon sa Mount Titlis. So may yellow-yellow, tapos nakaganito lang ako. Pero magbe-breakfast muna kami sa 7th floor. And then after nun, pupunta na kami sa bundok. Ang ganda na.
Mamaya pa may 360 pa ikutin mo.
So, nandito na kami sa cave.
Na freezer. And the temperature is negative 30 degrees.
Negative 30 dito?
Sabi?
Wala lang, negative kasi nasa ilalim.
Medyo madulas siya. Yes. Sobra. Parang lumot.
Ito ang picture ang kita dito. Careful. So if you want refill of some of the food which is out.
time dito sa Switzerland.
Alright, that's it. Ayan, palakpakan naman po natin ang ating mga first time qualifiers. Okay, let's move on to our...
Grabe! Na-bless ako dun sa part na, wow, na-bless. Dun sa part na chinika yung sa Switzerland. Mataas kasi ang value ng Switzerland eh. Dapat New Zealand. Grabe, favored yung batch na to, no? Tapos na-approve tayo. Grabe. Sobrang favored. Thank you, Lord. Merong quick sharing kasi kanina nakahanap kami ng magandang spot sa Mount Titlis. So, nag-TikTok kami ganyan. Tapos kami na lang pala yung inaantay. Muntik na kaming iwan. Please, may maganda kami dito sa picture. Kami lang yung may picture doon. True! Ito yung kanya. Ito yung sa akin.
You see here to the right hand side, here it is. That's where the Swiss money is made. To the right hand side, immediately you see the Parliament building. Yes, there it is. To the right hand side is the Bellevue Hotel. That's where usually where the parliamentary people are having their lunches. That's the bicycle that puts itself in front of the bus. That's why I said cuckoo. You all have a Swiss watch, and I know that you all run on Swiss time. I've heard that you're very precise timing people. Yes! I only think positive of you. Okay, you tell me if that's not true. We're gonna find that out, but I trust you. You all giggle, it seems.
Ito daw ang Swiss clock. Ginawa siya more than 5 years ago.
This is the house of Albert Einstein.
Oo nga.
Summer they have beautiful sunshine. That's when the times or the days are longer, when it's light at 5:30 in the morning and at 10 o'clock in the evening, and in the winter time it's 8 o'clock that it's light and 5 o'clock. But then you need to get the energy. Here to the right hand side in a few moments you will see a hydropower station. And that hydropower station belongs to the Jungfrau railway system. So all the electricity that the trains are using here in the area, as well as at the other side of the valley, are coming from this hydropower station that you see here to the right hand side. When they have too much, they pump it back up to the little lake that's higher up. So here, that's the hydropower station for the electricity of the whole Jungfrau railway system, here to the right.
Wala nang masabing salita. We are here at the Romantic Hotel in Grindelwald. Dito kami magla-lunch. Grabe.
Kahit di ako mapicture, okay na ako.
Grabe. We trimmed them, put them in the cellar. Dito kami ngayon sa falls. Grabe. Ayun, oh, may flag. Grabe.
Look at this magnificent view here to the left, and nearly no wind, so it reflects really in the water.
So, andito kami sa lake. Ano nga ba to?
It looks so different, this Mount Pilatus from this side.
So, konti na lang. Feeling ko, am here sa aming accommodation kasi it's our last day and check out na rin kami. Tapos may konting tour pa. I will be extending my trip pero sa Geneva side naman and makakasama ko yung aking relatives doon. Although magsistay ako sa different accommodation pero makakabonding ko pa rin sila. So after I go to Switzerland, pupunta naman ako ng Barcelona and doon mag-isa lang talaga ako. I will be staying doon for 3 days and then fly ako to France, Montpellier sa aking isa namang tita. Doon ako magsistay sa kanya and then 4 days naman ako magpa-fly to Paris. Mag-isa rin but meron akong isang ka-work na doon magkikita kami. So, this is my first time na mag-travel alone outside of the country. Tapos Europe pa. Ito todo na natin dahil dinala din naman na tayo dito ng Pru-Life. Just hope na walang mawawala sa akin sa Europa and hindi ako ganun na maligaw since wala naman akong hinahabol na oras.
And it is for the visually impaired, so that the people that cannot see the city. And this is a wonderful model because it is one-to-one, at least for what the old city is concerned. The old city is on both sides of the river. So we have the river Limmat right here that divides the old city into two. We are standing here. Behind us we have the Frau Münster, so the women's church. Right here, all the churches are Protestant churches. With the Reformation, all of the churches adopt the new religion. Today there is one church in the city center that is Catholic.
And where is that?
And it would be this one. This one is the Catholic church, is not very far away from us. This is the St. Augustine Church.
Bye! Uwi na kayo! Solo flight!